Are you wondering if the Duotts C29 bicycle actually comes with a throttle? So actually when you get this bicycle, basically by default actually the throttle won't be installed and you simply get these like long basically handles. But inside the box however you will actually find your throttle, so you kind of have to install it yourself if you want it. To see, I have installed the throttle on my bicycle and I absolutely love it. So the way you install it, you simply pull this like off, so simply use quite a lot of force, maybe hold your bike with other hand and simply like pull this off, and then basically you slide on this throttle part. So again, this is the actual size of it, and then basically you see you have these like fasteners here, so again like one screw to hold in place. And then inside the box you also get this like short handlebar essentially, so you like put this on again, so very easy process. And then basically it has this connector, so you simply connect. For example, see I have another connector over here. Yeah, basically, so you simply connect and it's ready to go. So there is no setup in the screen or anything like that, so you simply put it on, screw down with a screw, connect one of these wires over here, and it's ready to go. So it's very easy to install it. And if you're wondering if the throttle is actually any good on this bicycle, then yep, I can confirm it's absolutely great. So when you actually like twist it, as you see, so let me actually turn this off. So basically you simply engage it by simply twisting like this a bit. Again, so simply it's kind of like this. So it has a spring inside, so if you release it, it basically like goes back rapidly. So again, to accelerate, simply like twist like this your throttle so tiny bit, and your bicycle will essentially start to like go forward. Also basically when you start from standstill, this has got this kind of soft start essentially. So basically if you are starting from standstill, then for like maybe for the first 2 seconds the throttle will accelerate only you very gently. So again, the throttle actually is very nice on this bike actually compared to the pedal system. I think it's much better than the pedal system, to be honest. So again, for first 2 seconds simply accelerates you gently and then basically picks up speed, and again it yeah, basically goes at full speed essentially. So again, I can highly suggest this bicycle for the throttle. I have also tested other e-bikes and the throttle on other e-bikes honestly isn't as good as on this bike. And personally I pretty much use this bicycle only with throttle, so in my country I do not really have much problems with this stuff. Also, if you are looking to get this bike, I have extra €50 coupon that you can use on the official Duotts website to get essentially €50 extra off. So simply enter UVTech in the checkout to get this. Also at the moment I think they even have extra special promo. If you order through the special link in the description, you will also receive a bunch of free accessories with this bike, which is absolutely awesome. By the way, full disclaimer, I actually purchased this bike myself a couple months ago with my own money, and Duotts simply saw my other videos about it and simply sent me this coupon that you can use. When you consider how much this bike costs, it destroys pretty much everything else in the market. Not only you get very powerful motor on this bike, in my experience it eats pretty much any hill that you throw at it. Also the battery capacity is absolutely insane on this bike, so it lasts for absolute ages. You also get very decent quality alloy frame on this bike, also decent forks with integrated lights all around, and the controls also are actually very decent on this bike. And best of all, it's also probably one of the most comfortable bikes I have ever had. And again, if you want to get it much cheaper, simply follow the special link in the description. Also enter the coupon code UVTech to get €50 off extra. Anyway, good luck.